wait, videos like these are getting tens of millions of views right now. And the crazy part, they're actually insanely easy to make. Let me show you exactly how people are creating these AI mechanical transformation videos. First, you only need 3 prompts. One for the before image, one for the after image, and one for the video itself. To make this easier, I already prepared all the prompts for you in the description, so you can just copy-paste and follow along. Now let's start with step 1, creating the before image. Open the first prompt and replace the animal or object with anything you want. For this example, I'm going to use an eagle. Once you've changed it, copy the prompt. Now head over to Google Flow and sign in with your Google account. After entering Flow, switch to image generation mode. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and set batch generation to 4, so you get multiple results to choose from. Now paste the prompt, click Generate, and wait a few seconds. Flow will create 4 different images. And you can simply pick the one you like the most. Next, let's create the mechanical version. Go back and copy the second prompt. Make sure you use the exact same animal or object as before, otherwise the transformation may not look consistent. Now in Flow, click the plus icon and upload the first image as a reference. Paste the second prompt, keep the same setting, and generate again. After a few seconds, you'll get multiple mechanical versions. Choose the one that looks the best, because now we're ready for the final step, turning it into a video. This is where everything comes together. Copy the video prompt, then switch to video generation mode inside Flow. Set it to frames mode. Use a 9:16 aspect ratio. Set batch to 1, and choose the VO 3.1 fast model. Now upload your original image as the start frame and the mechanical image as the end frame. Paste the video prompt, click Generate, and give it a few minutes to process. And that's it. Your AI mechanical transformation video is ready. This is literally the same style of videos people are using right now to pull in millions of views. So, what are you going to transform first? If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what video you want me to make next.